Hi there friends, this is a new video guide for Combin.com. Today you will learn how to use swipe up feature even if you don't have 10,000 followers on Instagram. Instagram stories are a great way to turn your followers into leads and clients. Once you are up to level up your Instagram stories, you will realize the power of the swipe up. This is your call to action. The swipe up feature allows marketers to nurture and convert leads. While currently this feature is only available to accounts that hit over 10,000 followers, there are ways to have the swipe up feature even without hitting your 10,000 benchmark. Watch this video guide to get a step-by-step instruction on how to share your story, get more followers, and boost your Instagram content with the swipe up feature. The first thing that you need to do is to go to Combin.com and get Combin Scheduler to your computer. It's available for Mac, Linux, and Windows. Launch the application, enter your Instagram username and password. Do not worry, we do not store your password. It is used only once to request an access token from Instagram. Click Sign In. Scheduler automatically locates you at the post scheduling page. To start planning a story, click Stories at the upper left corner of the application. Then, click Add New Story button at the bottom of the application. Now, upload your story, set preferable date and time of the publication, and then add link to bio. After that, click Create. That is all. As soon as your story is published, link in bio will be updated. But don't forget to add some call to action to your story. For example, a GIF to make people go and check your link in bio. Within the app, you can add multiple stories in bulk and add an individual link for each of them. So when you do other more important tasks, stories will be published automatically and the link will be changed by default as well. Thank you for watching and happy Instagram promotion! Bye!